Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've done a little bit of a remodeling of the garage. I started a new project. Check it out. It's the very beginning of my building my own airplane in my garage, and it's a really cool project. It's something I've never done before. As you probably know, I just got my pilot license a couple of months ago, and really want to have my own plane. So I started building one, and I have the horizontal and vertical stabilizers mostly completed, and it is a very cool process. I am building a Vans RV7A. This is a two-seat plane, and it can cruise at about 200 miles an hour, and it's rated up to like 6 Gs. So it is a sports car of the sky, and it's going to be awesome. Just give you a little tour of the updates. I have sold my lathe and some of the other car parts. Unfortunately, the LS block and heads are gone. But I built these workbenches. These are the EAA Chapter 1000 workbenches. I'll put a link down below of the plans if you want to build them. They're really cool. They're 2 feet by 5 feet by, I think they're 33 inches tall. They're really cool. Office chairs, good height. Standing's good height. As you can see, I have my horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer here for the RV7. This is where the rudder is gonna bolt on, or a hinge. This is actually just sitting here. This isn't really where this goes. Then you get your elevator that's gonna go out here and go up and down. So I have a bunch of sheet metal. This is how it comes, all like this. Bags and bags of rivets, all different sizes. I got to learn about riveting and deburring and countersinking, counterboring, all these little die things. It's really cool. There was a bunch of parts in there. Now they're mostly used up. And this is just another work area. This is where I built the vertical stabilizer. I got the riveting is really loud, so use those. Starts hurting your ears after about 5 minutes. Another cool thing here, I got a reamer for final sizing holes because I don't have a 6,000 RPM drill, so I use the reamer to make a nice round hole. And you can see some of the plans. Tonight I'm working on building the rudder, and these are the reinforcement ribs for that. And as you can see, the plans, and then this is the check marks, or the steps to go for that. And then these are the building plans, and you can see there's all different things. Comes in a kit, 4 different kits. This is the empennage, which is basically the tail and back part of the fuselage, and that's the first kit. So hope you guys are excited as I am about this project. It's gonna be really cool. It is really cool. It's a lot of work. I've been working on this all week. On top of it, I've already probably put another week, so I'm probably 2 weeks into this project, and it doesn't really look like I got a whole lot done. But there's a lot of prep, drilling, reaming, cleaning everything up, deburring the sides, deburring the holes. Oh, I got another thing to show you actually. Come with me over here. This is actually not a grindstone. This is a 3M Scotch-Brite wheel, like a Brillo pad, or like a Scotch-Brite pad, like these. But it's in a wheel, so you turn it on, it makes it a lot faster. So that's cool, and I'll keep you updated and maybe show some of the build process as I can get it recorded. It's pretty new, so I wanted to kind of figure out what I was doing before I filmed it. So stay tuned, and I'm sure you'll see another video up soon, some of the building of this RV7.